Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Amazon right here. And basically what this is a hanging vacuum storage bag. So you can definitely hang stuff inside right here and definitely give you guys that vacuum seal option. So that way you guys save a lot of space in your room. So the one that we got right here is from the brand called SunHorde. And it basically comes in a pack of 6 of these. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so first thing you see inside here, they provide you guys a piece of paper to show you guys how to use it. Next up right here, they provide you guys a bunch of these sealer options. So that way you guys actually seal out the bag before you guys vacuum out the air. And then right here, we have all 6 bags right here. So I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. And also for these bags right here, they mention how there's a lot of benefits on here, such as the fact that it prevents odor on here, and also prevents insects, and also prevents like dirt or mildew or whatever, which is pretty cool. And definitely when you guys feel the quality on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material that's on here that's super durable. Alright, so you see when we actually take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So definitely it is a all clear design. So you definitely see everything inside right here. But basically for the top part right here, they do have a hanger option. So you can actually hang this onto your pole or stick in your closet. And then for the bottom part right here, they have 5 holes for you guys to hang your different clothes on here. So once you guys hang like 5 different clothes on here, whether you guys want to hang like your jackets, your dress shirts or whatever, you can definitely put it all inside right here and vacuum seal all the air out from here. And then basically on the side right here, you can see this whole part right here. This is basically where it's going to open up and you guys want to put the clothes or whatever inside right here. And you basically want to use the accessory that I just showed you guys to seal it back up before you guys do the vacuum sealing option. But definitely when you guys look at the part right here, it's actually really long. So if you guys want to put like a dress shirt, or if you guys want to put like dresses in here, or even if you guys want to put like a really long pants, you definitely put a lot of stuff inside right here. Especially since you guys can put 5 different clothes on here. And once you guys vacuum seal it, you definitely will save a lot of space. So like I mentioned, they provide you guys 6 of them right here. And for the one that I got right here, it's all the same thing. So that's why I'm only taking out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like, since they're all the same. So I'll actually hang some stuff inside right here and then show you guys how it works and when it actually works. Alright, so first thing I want to do is open up this part right here on the side. And you can basically start hanging your clothes inside right here. Alright, so you see how we actually fit 5 different clothes on here. So let's seal it up using the accessory that they provide for us. So I want to use this accessory right here and then pull this part down until you guys fully seal it up. And you probably want to do it a few times to make sure it's fully sealed before you guys vacuum seal all the air. Alright, so that should be good. So what you want to do now is get a vacuum sealer and vacuum all the air out from here. So you basically want to put it right here and then vacuum all the air from here. Alright, so we're all done. You can see how I actually vacuum seal all the air from the bag. So right now basically all the clothes right here is all compressed together because we vacuum all the air from the bag. So once you guys hang this in your closet, you can definitely save a lot of space. And basically when you guys need to close again, you guys can just open it up and repeat the same step over again. But you see, once you actually set up the part right here, it definitely works really well. And if you guys want to put like heavier stuff, you definitely can. But even right now, you see for the clothes that we have right here, it goes up to right here. And we still have all this room in the bottom part right here. If you guys want to put like longer stuff, so like if you guys want to put like a dress or like dress shirts or basically like long pants, you can definitely put a lot of stuff on here. So that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now to come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys want to save space in your closet. If you guys have a lot of clothes or whatever, if you can see how we actually compress everything together, you can definitely save a lot of space once you guys hang inside your closet. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.